Hey everyone, okay, so I got my Stamps of Life subscriptions in, so let's see what we got this month. So I get the Fold It now, I get the Fold It and the regular Stamp and Die. So I don't know what the sneak peek, I didn't see any sneak peeks. Oh, this is the Fold It. Okay, so there's a snail. Oh my god, I love it so much. That is the snail. See, and I didn't mind getting the Fold-Its because I love her designs. I love how cutesy they are, and you get a stencil. So you get a stencil and a die. The first kit that she had, that's why I got that banner one, was free, was because it was the first of a new club. So that's awesome. Okay, I love it. Nice. I want to say it's more expensive though. I think this one is like $40. I kind of want to say it's like 40 bucks. So it's a little bit on the more expensive side, so you know, just for transparency's sake. And this one is the Stamp and Die, and then we get a freebie. So we got the little hearts, and we got the hearts with the sentiments. Oh, how cute. So you can, like, little what are they called, those conversation hearts? So you can put the sayings in them, and then you got the coordinating die. And this one is $26 and change for the die and the stamp. Love it. Cute. So, very happy. Love it. Alright guys, see you next month. Bye.